Hello, myself Rumana Khan, FIBHEC student from Anjuman College of Home Science. I'll be talking about impact of COVID-19 on education, unemployment and on doctors' mental health. The times that have been never dreamt of. The pandemic times which blow around the globe, leaving no space untouched, they are certainly have left a memorable impact in the field of education. It was very challenging to India as many people live in areas without internet and others attend more poorly equipped government run schools. Many efforts were made to continue education and at all levels with online methods, but it could not be made available to everyone. Apart from the technical problems faced during the online classes, children are also having various physical and mental issues like headaches, straining of eyes, worsening of vision, increased screen time and screen exposure, and all of that. The digital world was a dilemma for the teachers who were experts in book, talk, chalk, and classroom methods. They had to be trained to meet the challenges of the present situation and go ahead with online teaching. Mute yourself is a new keep quiet, and many students struggle to obtain the gadgets needed for digital learning. Everything went better, though difficult, for educated parents as they help their children, but it's also time to understand the helplessness of the parents who could not help their children. Pandemic has been a challenge to education institutions as the payment of fee was very poor. Many low budget schools got shut down. Impact of COVID on unemployment. An unemployed existence is a worse negation of life than death itself. The COVID 19 outbreak is likely to have a long lasting impact on India's labour market. With close to 10.9 million jobs being lost across sectors, 2020 was termed the worst ever year for the job market in India. Government had imposed a lockdown to curb the spread of the pandemic, but this impacted economic and commercial activities and resulted in the job loss and later on the exodus of migrant workers which rocked the entire nation. Among the various sectors, aviation, hospitality, and travel were the worst hit due to the lockdown. Indians were forced to stay home, and these sectors either sent their employees on leave without pay or let them off. Impact of COVID on mental health of doctors. Ever wondered about the real warriors of our doctors? Do you know why those viral videos of doctors crying and telling to stay home went viral on social media platforms? Because they are the ones who have seen COVID from the nearest view, and the rate of the mental health problems amongst the doctors has been on the rise since the COVID strike. They have reported symptoms of anxiety, depression, burnout owing to the long working hours, especially with the PPE in hot and humid weather. They are also at the forefront to deliver bad news to the families of the patients' morbidity and mortality. It takes a brave heart to see thousands and lakhs of people dying in front of doctors. The doctors who treat COVID positive patients are continuously exposed to the virus and may not have that luxury to protect themselves from it. They are at higher risk when compared to others. You will also be shocked to know that many doctors have separated themselves from their families just to ensure the safety of their loved ones. There are many instances where the doctors are required to take tough decisions, such as putting the patient on the ventilator or breaking the bad news of death. Doctors have to explain this to the already emotional and anxious relatives. Rightly said, they are the visible God on earth. We were not ready for this, but it came. So we have to go through this together and we have to update the infrastructure and should think of ways to undertake the situation and providing with what's needed amid the pandemic if we face something precisely like this in the future to aid the forthcoming generation. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay home.